Hello, my name's Louise. I'm one of the horticulture lecturers at Duchy College, Rosewarne. Today I'm going to have a go at making some Comfrey Tea, a free liquid fertiliser, liquid feed that you can make from your own garden. So here I've got a patch of Comfrey. It can spread if you're looking to buy some. The Bocking 14 is the one you're looking for that won't spread. Here mine's quite well behaved and I'm quite happy leaving it to do its own thing. We'll probably be visited by some bees as we're making the tea, because pollinators just love these little tubular flowers. I'll bring one a bit closer for you. There we go, lovely little tubular flowers and hairy stems and hairy leaves. Making the Comfrey tea is really easy. I've got an old net log bag here that's going to act as a giant tea bag, and I'm going to fill it up with as many leaves as I can. I'm going to wear a glove because the little hairs on the stems and leaves are quite spiky. I'm going to cut off enough to fill the bag. You can make Comfrey tea, this liquid feed, but you can also add these leaves to your compost heap, to the bottom of bean or potato trenches. They work really well as a mulch around the bottom of plants. Really good it's really good potash rich feed that it'll add to the soil and add to the plants. So anything that flowers or fruits, this is a great way to give it a boost. I'm just going to give this a fairly rough haircut to fill up the bag. Mine is hemmed in by the edge of this gravel path, so it can't be too rampant. I'm going to leave some of it. I'm going to leave some of the flowers for the pollinators. That's really important. I'm carrying on filling up my bag. There's my giant tea bag full of Comfrey. I've got an old plastic container with a lid. It's quite important because this gets quite smelly. So we'll put the tea bag inside. Cover it with water to steep. Probably going to leave that for 4 to 6 weeks until it turns a bit of a greeny brown colour, and then I'll start watering it on anything that flowers or fruits. The leaves that are in the tea bag, once I've taken the liquid feed, they'll go on the compost heap. There's absolutely no waste. It's not cost you a penny, and it's organic. Why don't you give it a go? I'll come back and visit this in a few weeks and show you how to apply it to your plants and your pots.